We're going to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the missing side length. So I'm going to start here by looking for my 90-degree angle so I can find the hypotenuse. It's really important to make sure I'm choosing the right side lengths. So I substituted those in, and now I can start thinking about what steps come next. So from here, I'm going to keep in mind that the order of operations tells me to square or multiply before I get to addition. So I will need to square all the values in here that I can before I do any addition or subtraction. I also need to keep in mind what it means to square something. So when I square something, I multiply it by itself, not by 2. Multiplying by 2 is doubling. So I'm going to use this to do my work here. So I have a squared plus, I'm going to square 1.2, which means 1.2 times 1.2. That gives me 1.44. And from here, I'm also going to square 2 squared, which means 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. From here, I'm going to subtract 1.44 on each side of the equation. It might be helpful to rewrite this as 4.00, so I can keep everything lined up. From here, I'm going to be left with a square equal to, and when I subtract 1.44 from 4.00, I'm left with 2.56. So this is helpful because I can rewrite both of these as a perfect square. So a squared is a times a. And on the other side of the equation, 2.56 can be rewritten as 1.6 times 1.6. This allows me then to say that I know the value of a, and a is equal to 1.6.